Hi everyone, I'm back. I got more happy mail, totally unexpected. This is from Stmpgrl, who is Paige. Thank you, Paige. You really shouldn't have done this because you've done enough and it's my turn now. So let's see what she's done here. I'm gonna move the envelope because I don't want to show her address or anything. Ooh, how pretty. I think I saw you make these. Oh, I love the embossing. It's got like a plain heart in the middle, which is where she has the peacock. And it's turquoise, which of course she knows I love. And happy Valentine's Day. And then around here is hearts and butterflies and little bees. Oh, so cute. I don't know, I'm sorry for the glare. She's got it wrapped in plastic. And I don't know if I want to take it out. I guess I have to. I guess I have to. Ugh. She always packages things so well. And this, now see, now I'm going to have to get more little bags because I don't have any to fit this size card. Oh, yep, she's got a note. Aww. Aww. Thank you so much, Paige. I feel the same way, and big hugs to you, and love also. So, and this, I believe this is retired turquoise glitter paper from Stampin' Up! That was in Myths and Magic or something like that. I have glue stuck on me. And this is reversible Pretty Peacock and Old Olive Ribbon from Stampin' Up! Other than that, I'm not sure. This I don't believe is. And how did she do that? Okay, she's got it on foam. Is that a sticker, or did you do that? Because I guess she either had to die cut foam and then die cut this, and then she's got it all glittered up. I forget. Now I'm going to have to go back and watch your videos again and see. It looks, I don't think it's a sticker. I think it was put up on foam. Which means she had to die cut the foam. Very solid feeling. Yeah, cool. Thank you so much, Paige. I love it. And I understand. Oh, look at these pretty dies. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. I was just thinking I should make some dies. I mean, dies. Bows, Deb. I should make some bows. And then I opened a drawer this morning and I had been in a bow swap last 2 years ago, maybe even 3 years ago. 2.5 years ago, I think, or maybe beginning, it might have been 2 years ago. Anyway, it was through the Messy Mom's Life. She doesn't do those anymore, I don't think. She's kind of gone off into other things on her channel. But so I do have some, but I don't have many small ones like this. So thank you so much. Look at these cute little enamel pink hearts and little red bling hearts. They're cute, and they go perfectly with the papers. And there's two styles, one with the double bow like, and then one just across. Really cute. And then these are like those sugar dots. They have like little like sugar. They're like little dots. And that's what she has on this one too. So pretty. This one's a little bit bigger. It's like it has this with the tails hanging down. Really cute. Thank you, Paige. They're gonna go in my Valentine stuff for next year because I'm kind of done with Valentine's. Oh, these are embellishments too. Little, like, I guess they're embellishments. Or is it a card? Did she put it? Yeah. Let me take these out. I think they're embellishments. And they're really cute. Yep, they are. And then she's got them stuck down with, right, the double-sided something. So it says, Sweetheart, February 14th, Happy Valentine's Day, February 14th. You rock, Happy Valentine's Day. You rock, Paige. XO backwards. Or you can do XO, XO, XO. Yeah. And then she's got like puffy stickers or something on with the dark pink. Oops, I just bopped that one. Dark pink, sort of medium pink, dark pink, or red. Looks dark pink to me, and then pale pink. Really cute. I'm gonna put them back in here so I don't get them messed up. And her packaging is really cute too. She's got some foam hearts on the paper. Again, in the plastic, so. And then, we have to take this one out. Ooh, look at the silver. Sorry to bling you here. It's a tag. Oops. Come on. She put foam over it so it wouldn't get some. Oh, look at that. This is heavy. This is metal. This is a metal tag. Wow. That's cool. I haven't seen those before. Yeah, it's definitely metal. Can tell it's weighty. And then she's got like a little doily, which I don't know, she might have done. Oh, it moves because it's on a see, I think it's maybe a die cut. I'm not sure. And I can't tell what that says under it, but it's like swirly things and a bow. I think it's a fancy bow. And then these two, they look like stickers, but they're almost like a red gel kind of thing. I don't know how to explain it. They're like transparent, sort of. And then 3 blings. Another metal heart here. Happy Valentine's Day. And red paper underneath. And that's bumped up on foam. Really nice, Paige. Beautiful. I don't know that I'd be able to do anything with that. I might just have to hang on to that. Save it for someone very special. But I don't know who that would be other than my kids. So that one's just going to stay in my stash for a while. Thank you so much, Paige, for your kindness to me and for your friendship, especially. And yeah, hope we can continue on in future years. So beautiful tag and embellishments and bows. And this card is just wow. Paige is my card mentor. So, yeah. I started learning cards from her long before we were even knew each other or anything. So, yeah. Thank you so much, Paige. I appreciate your thinking of me. And yours is coming soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Have a great weekend. Bye.